Based on popular demand, a lot of you have been requesting that I create a step-by-step tutorial video on how to run TikTok ads on mobile phone. From the stage of creating your TikTok ads account, setting up your business center, your payment method, down to the point of running TikTok ads on your mobile phone. I get that comment, I get that request on virtual all my TikTok ads videos. So I've decided to do it. I've taken the pains to record these videos, compress them, set them step by step for your own good. And they are very recent. I recorded them this month. So you can now get access to them at a very discounted price. This discount is only given to my subscribers. If you have watched any of my YouTube videos, you'll discover that my teachings are beginner friendly. They are detailed and step by step. So I'm giving away 50% discount to my YouTube subscribers. Instead of 10,000 naira, we are going to be paying only 5,000 naira. You may see my ad later on TikTok or any other platform. What I'm selling that cost is 10,000 naira. But for you, you get it at the rate of 5,000 naira. So click the link below at the description of this video or reach out via WhatsApp with this phone number you're seeing on the screen, and you will get access to it at that discounted price. The sweet part is you will not only get the course, but you will get access to me. I will add you to my support group where you'll be offered 247 support. Your questions will be attended to. If you have any challenges regarding TikTok ads, you will also be responded to. So what are you waiting for? Reach out via the phone number showing on your screen or click the link at the description of this video to get access to the TikTok ads course for mobile phone.